Thanks, Kim.
What's going on, guys? Kimberly here. Hope you are well and I hope you're keeping safe. So today's video is a mother and daughter transformation. Comment below and let me know what you think. Alright, catch up soon.
Hi everyone, my name's Beverly. I'm about to get my makeup done by Flawed Makeup Artistry and I can't wait to see the end results.
Fill in the client's eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil, keeping to the client's natural eyebrow shape. Use foundation or concealer to define the eyebrows with a flat brush. I do have a detailed eyebrow tutorial, 5-minute eyebrow tutorial, which will really help you with your eyebrow technique. I will leave it in the description box below. So I've added, finished the eyeshadow, and I've added some white eyeliner pencil in her lower waterline, and then some black eyeliner, and as you can see her eyes are more prominent on her face and more striking. So just applying some lashes to the client's eyes, ensuring that the lashes are cut to the length of her eyes. These lashes are also quite natural as she didn't want nothing too bold. Eye makeup complete, and as you can see her eyes are really popping out and standing out on her face. I am now applying some concealer to underneath her eyes. We'll also apply it to her nose, forehead and her chin. Always good to go in a couple of shades lighter with your concealer. This helps with the contouring look and helps create a flawless finish. I am now adding some Ben Nye banana powder to all the areas where I applied the concealer. This helps to set the concealer in place and again gives you that flawless finish. So I'm now applying some like a purpley pinky lip liner around the client's lips. Gonna go quite sort of pinky bold with the lips itself. So I've applied some lip gloss to the lips and some blusher on her cheeks just to really put some life back into her face and help define her cheekbones. So coming towards the end of the makeup, just applying some highlighter now, very lightly to her face. Wow, look at that highlighter. She is looking beautiful.
That's the wrong hand. No, take this out. Oh, sorry. What's the wrong side? Yeah. Ooh! Oh my gosh! I can't look at myself! Oh my gosh!
What, are you looking at yourself now?
Oh my gosh.
Can you see me, Bev? Look, Bev, look, I can see. Oh, you look lovely.
Wow. Wow, Kim. And I like the hair as well. Oh my gosh.
My
the
turn,
tears
get
are
out
going to
of
mess
the
it up. Look.
Show me again.
My turn, get out of
really
it.
Lovely.
My
Oh my
turn.
gosh.
You should do that
My
every day.
Every day. I feel like somewhat different. Thanks, Kim.
Show me again.
Wait, I need to have a close up. Is that okay?
That looks like a film star's face. Doesn't it?
Wow.
You look like a girl.
You look like a film star.
Hi, I've just had my face done by Flawed Makeup Artistry and I am totally wowed, shocked, understatement. I can't believe how beautiful I look. I'm going to go home just flicking my hair, looking in the mirror and all of that stuff there. I really recommend Flawed Makeup Artistry. She's excellent, fabulous.
Stay tuned, guys. Up next, you're going to see Beverly's daughter's makeover. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. So this is Beverly's daughter. So I do have permission from Beverly to do her daughter's makeup. Before anyone starts saying she's just a kid, don't worry, permission has been sought. And this is in no way me promoting makeup for children. This is just if, for example, you have a wedding, like a flower girl, sort of flower girl makeup, and or a photo shoot, just like a one-off. So this is one-off makeup for children, very subtle. So I've gone in very subtly with some eyeshadow, sort of like a goldy pinky eyeshadow. She has lovely eyebrows, so I am just using an eyebrow brush to neaten up her eyebrows to define the shape. No eyebrow pencil required, and I wouldn't recommend using eyebrow pencil on children. As you can see, the eyeshadow is very subtle. The eyebrows create a nice arch, and it's just very soft and subtle makeup. Look at that beautiful smile. So just applying a little bit of blusher. For some reason, little girls love blusher. So just to finish off the look, some natural pink lipstick is applied with lip gloss, and as you can see, the lip colour is very similar to her natural lip colour and also ties in with the eyeshadow. So just as a little added extra, I'm gonna do some cane rows and just finish off the look. And she has absolutely beautiful hair, so I'm gonna do like an up style, suitable for a flower girl in a wedding. So this is the final look. Absolutely beautiful, was absolutely beautiful before. So as you can see, very subtle makeup, a one-off makeup specifically for a flower girl or a photo shoot. Please, nobody don't come to me about the flyaway hair. The hair decision was lastminute.com and we didn't have any gel or hair cream. Alright guys. I hope you enjoyed the mother and daughter tutorial. What were your thoughts? Comment below. I upload new content every week, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys soon. Take care. God bless.